Hi, I'm going to quickly show you how to join a Google Meet. Many times you'll get a Google Meet invite via Classroom or on your calendar. If you see a Google invite on your calendar, it's going to look something like this. Typically, it's going to have meet.google and then a series of likely letters at the end. This is your join code or your meeting code. Typically, all you need to do is copy and paste a URL like that or click on it, and it should open up in your browser, or if you have your smartphone, you will need to download the Meet app from either the App Store or Google Play. You can also join by phone. For example, if you do not have access to the internet, but you need to join in a class, you can call this number, and it's going to ask you to enter this PIN once you join. And you can actually join into the call on any phone service. So it looks something like this when you see an invite on a calendar. For example, if you're using Google Calendar, this is just a demo. When you click on it, it's actually going to give you an option to join via Meet or join via phone. You can actually copy the conference link and then paste it up into your browser. Another place that you might want to do bookmark is this link. It's called meet.google.com. It takes you to a page that looks just like this. And in order to actually add that, if you've actually been invited to a meeting, it's probably going to show up down here. So if it's on your calendar already, most likely you'll see it below here if you're logged into your Google account. If not, all you have to do is hit the join button, and then you're going to copy and paste this code. You can either copy and paste the whole URL, or you just need to keep that last bit. Okay? You hit continue. You're going to make sure that you give your browser, if you're on a Chromebook, access to your microphone. It'll give you a little heads up here. You just hit allow and allow. When you join, when you join, you want to make sure that you are muting your microphone and also muting your camera. All right. And then you hit join now. And now you're in. It's as simple as that. And so when other people join, you can actually chat with them. So if you have questions for your teacher for the class, you can do that. You can see who else is in class with you. All right. And then you can simply turn on your microphone or turn on your camera as needed. To hang up and leave the call, all you need to do is hit this red hang up button. All right, so that's how you join and participate in a Google Meet for your Google Classroom.